nursery standard, and this Mysore Smile School is very cooperative. The staff and the non-staff also very cooperative, and the celebration of Mother's Day was very lovely. And thank you so much.
Mysore Smile School is very best school. Thank you all teachers, teaching and non-teaching staffs to take care our child.
And my child name is Rajvardhan. I am impressed you with your which is very best. Mysore Smile preschool is very best in Pune. And today's celebrating Mother's Day is very lovely.
So much, ma'am, for inviting us. It was such a lovely activity. We are glad to be part of this program. Thank you so much and keep us engaged.
My child is studying in Mysore Smile School. She is in nursery. We have admitted her first time. The school is very nice and the teaching staff is also very cooperative. And the non-teaching staff is also very cooperative. And I wanted to say that everyone, whoever is the teacher or principal, everyone is guiding personally for every child and looking after every child very personally. Everyone knows here everything about each child, how is the child and how he is doing, what progress he wants, what he needs. Are they completing their tiffins? Are they going home on time? Are they coming? Are their parents coming? Who is coming to take? Who is not coming? Everything is looked personally over here. So thank you for Mysore Smiles to taking so much care of our children.
खूप छान आहे आणि स्पेशली छोट्या मुलांसाठी तर खूपच केअरिंग आणि खूप केअर घेतात ते आणि मुलं खूप लवकर तिथे सेटल होतात आणि गरज नाही पडत असं की नाही का दुसरीकडे कुठेतरी सेटल. खूप छान.
Thank you.
म्हणजे खूप छान.
आमच्या मुलांसाठी खूप छान आहे. मॅडम आम्हाला खूप छान सपोर्ट करतात मुलांना आमच्या.
छान आहे. छोट्या लहान बाळ पण खूप छान काळजी घेतात. टीचर पासून 2 वर्षापासून त्याला टाकलेला आहे, पण खूप छान प्रगती आहे त्यांची. थँक्यू ऑल टीचर्स अँड
टीचर्स चांगले, प्रिन्सिपल मॅम चांगले आणि म्हणून आम्ही यावर्षी आमच्या मुलाला दुसऱ्या स्कूलमध्ये घाललो होतं पण नाही गेले. तेच कळणार
स्माईल स्कूल खूप छान आहे आणि टीचर्स पण खूप कोऑपरेटिव्ह आहेत आणि आम्हाला खूप छान वाटते आमच्या मुलाला ह्या शाळेत टाकून.
Mysore Smile School is very best and all teachers are very good.
Mysore Smile School is very best and teacher is also very best.
Yeah, it's a really good school. So we have to give rate 5 out of 5 to this school. It's a very nice. Thank you.
This school is the best school and all teacher staff is very good and careful.
Teacher staff is very very good teacher staff.
धन्यवाद. खूप छान झाला कार्यक्रम. असंच आम्हाला तुमच्या येण्यासाठी संधी मिळेल तेव्हा आम्ही पण येऊ. आजचा कार्यक्रम खूपच छान झाला. मदर्स डे सेलिब्रेशनबद्दल धन्यवाद.
तो बहुत अच्छा है. पर्सनली टीचर्स सभी स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर ध्यान रखते हैं तो इट्स वेरी बेस्ट स्कूल.